Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move your Steam game to another drive on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, click on Library at the top. Find the game you want to move. Right click on the game name and select Properties. In the main window that pops up, look on the left hand side and click on Install Files. Here you will see a button called Move Install Folder. Click on that. Steam will now ask you where you want to move the game. If you have already created another Steam library folder on different drive, you can just select it here. Once your new folder is ready, go back to the game. Move Install Folder option, pick the new drive and click Move. Steam will then transfer the game files over. This might take some time depending on how big the game is and how fast your drives are. When it's done, the game will now launch from the drive you select. And that's it, you have successfully moved your game to another drive on Steam without installing your game. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.